Bitcoin Cash is forecasted to decline 5.7% by June 5, based on coin data flow. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. Right now, Bitcoin Cash has moved up by 0.1% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $246.80. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Coin data flow expects to see the price drifting toward $233.31 by June 5, down roughly 5.7%. CoinLore puts the target for Bitcoin Cash at $237.06, about 4.1% below current value. According to Coin Price Forecast, it might push down toward $243, a potential decrease close to 1.7%. A separate projection by Digital Coin Price highlights Bitcoin Cash could fall to $247.14, an expected decrease of approximately 0.1%. And to wrap up, Crypto Predictions points to $306.51 by June 5, a projected increase of 23.9%. That's the most profitable scenario overall. We've gone through 5 forecasts for tomorrow. Let's see what comes next. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. The collective view of all analysts suggests a possible move between a drop of 5.7% and an increase of 23.9%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Crypto Predictions leads with 23.9% upward change in value by June 5. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $1 and $239 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to odds, Digital Coin Price comes first with a 95% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. The consensus calculation indicates Bitcoin Cash trading near $253.40. Let's explore the breakdown. The consensus forecast shows a possible price increase of 2.5% by tomorrow. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 2.5% as well, in alignment with that outcome. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $25. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 85.2%. As the next step, let's review the short-term 3-day predictions. Coin data flow anticipates downward movement in the near term. A drop is similarly expected by CoinLore, reinforcing the downside view. Coin Price Forecast views the short-term path as moving upward. Similarly, Digital Coin Price points to bullish momentum building. Additionally, Crypto Predictions points to further upside potential. Overall, the consensus delivers a bullish message, showing that Bitcoin Cash is leaning upward. In conclusion, 60% of analysts lean toward a bullish scenario, suggesting Bitcoin Cash may move higher. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's check them against yesterday's price. At the end of the day, the price settled at $243.40. Most of the analysts' forecasts captured the correct move. Best alignment with the actual price came from 30 rates. Now we'll take it step by step. Yesterday's span included 3 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and CoinLore came out ahead with 13.9%. Here's the daily summary. How each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Based on the verified data, Traders Union recorded 8.1% ROI and accuracy. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Bitcoin Cash and a few other cryptos. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Bitcoin Cash stands at 4th place, and Solana shows 5% potential return. In this section, Bitcoin Cash appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. Follow along, subscribe to see how each forecast performs over time. Stay well and see you tomorrow.